Hey guys, Glen. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Let me just put my camera up here. This is going to be a little bit tricky. I'm going to be doing a review of AffiliFlash. This is a new product by Kurt. I think it's Chisler. I don't personally know him. He puts out some great products, a lot of stuff based around WordPress. But what's really cool about this new product is it builds affiliate sites like that. Now there's one thing missing in it, and I'm going to give it to you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the demo of it. We'll take a look at the sales page, and then we'll go through the demo, and then I'll see if I can bring up what the OTOs are. They're pretty standard. Just add some more bells and whistles for you. So if this is something you want to be doing, definitely check it out. What else is there? Oh, some people think that I have a guitar in the background just as a prop. I actually do play. Let the picks in there, right? Yes, I actually do play. And it's in tune. See? There you go. Okay, done with the prop. I was actually reminiscing doing some old Blink 182 songs. All right, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to jump into this really cool review on AffiliFlash, and I think you're really going to like this product. I think it's an actual outstanding product. I'm still waiting to get review access. I don't have it. This video is being made before it's actually live, so all I'm able to show you is a demo, but as soon as it comes out, I'm definitely picking it up because I have a bunch of WordPress sites, and this is simple, and I have a whole bunch of articles, which, hint, spoiler alert. All right, first off, okay, this is gonna be tricky, guys, because I gotta jump around stuff. So let's go over, and we're gonna take a look at. There's the video. Let's go over and yeah, let's do this, and we'll just change to Chrome here. Okay, so this is it, guys. Okay, brand new automated software creates complete monetized affiliate sites in just minutes. Don't believe me? Watch me do it in the video. So that is what we're going to watch, guys. It's a pretty standard sales page. Creating affiliate sites can be hard work. It's just too complicated. Don't give up. Create complete monetized affiliate sites in just three simple steps. Imagine seeing results like this. So this is called AffiliFlash. Very, very cool. It turns this into this, and he's going to show you in the video. Now, the one thing is, when I first saw this, I thought, oh, great, it's just like a click of a button, and it's going to happen. Well, there's one little thing, there's one little missing element, but don't worry, I'm going to give that to you. So you won't have to worry about that. You choose your content, choose your options, and let AffiliFlash go to work. So very, very cool, and he's gonna do this demo for you. All right, so let's just watch the demo, guys. And I'm gonna have to mute something, so let's go like this. Okay, so this is the demo. Let's start at the beginning. We'll watch this. There we go. You guys can see that, I think. I'll mute myself and I'll let the...
How would you like to be able to create a complete monetized affiliate site using any content you want without having to find a single image and without having to worry about how to monetize your site? And the best part, you can do it all in just a matter of minutes, because that's exactly what you can do with the new AffiliFlash software. The AffiliFlash software is the easiest way and fastest way to create affiliate sites with the least amount of work. And you can create a complete affiliate site in just a matter of minutes. Now, I know that may be hard to believe. So what I'm going to do in this video here is I'm going to do it right in front of you so you can see exactly how it works. So I'm just here at a demo site I set up for this video, and I can refresh this page here. You can see it's a complete new site, nothing found, so there's absolutely no content currently on it. And I'm going to turn this into a complete affiliate site in just a matter of minutes. So inside my WordPress area, I have the AffiliFlash software installed, and all I need to do is upload some content into this box here. Now, this can be any content you want. Most people I talk to have thousands of articles of PLR content. You can use that. You can use content you've written, content you've purchased, any type of content you want. You simply need to drag it into the software, and the software will take that content and automatically create a site for you with that content. So you don't have to create a single post or do any of the tedious work of actually creating the site. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to drop in some content here. All right, so I just dropped in 4 pieces of content here, and you can see what happened is it went and created some settings for each and every one of those pieces of content. So first off, we have YouTube keywords. So the software is automatically going to add a YouTube video to each and every post it creates. That's great for SEO. Of course, Google owns YouTube and they love to see YouTube on the site. So I can select a keyword or I can just leave it blank and the software will actually take the title of the article and find that YouTube video for me. I can select a category. If I have a featured image I want to use, I can enter it here, or I can use Pixabay. So you can see this article is about hydroponics. I just typed in hydroponics. I'm going to get a free image from Pixabay. I'm going to select that one, and that post is done. The software will do the rest of the work. So I simply repeat that for each of these. So for example, this one is about a greenhouse. So again, I can select an image, select a category. I can change the type of YouTube video if I would like, and I just repeat that process. And then from there, we have the last couple options. We can have the software add that YouTube video. So I'm going to leave that as yes. And I'm going to go ahead and hit process. And what the software is going to do is it's going to take this random content we had just sitting on our computer and create us a complete affiliate site, monetized and ready to go. So I hit process and the software has done its magic. Let's jump back over to that demo site. I'm going to hit refresh. And just like that, my site has been created. Now, with each and every one of these posts, you can see it brought in the title. We have an image to use here. That's what we got from Pixabay. We have some ads, which I'll show you in a second. And then we have the content. It brought in a YouTube video. You can see it searched by the title of the article. So it brought in a relevant YouTube video for me. And just like that, my site is ready to go and start earning me commissions. Now you can go back here and I can drop in even more content if I want, and I can just keep building the site like that. So no longer do I need to get the content, paste it into a post, go find an image, put some ads on it, publish it, and all of that. You simply drop it in here and let the software do the rest for you. Now, inside the settings here, you can see we have Amazon settings. So if you currently have the Amazon API, which is totally not required, but if you do have that, we have that option available for you. It'll automatically put Amazon ads on your site for you. We have the YouTube settings, which is simply adding a YouTube video to every post. We have our Pixabay settings, so we can get images. We also have content spinning with the best spinner and spin rewriter. So if you would like the software to spin that content before that puts it on your site, you can do that as well. And then we have our custom ads. So most people can't get the Amazon API because you have to make a couple sales before you get access to it. So what you can do is you can paste in your own Amazon ads here. And if I click on one of these, you can see the Amazon ads showing here. So it's a great way to start making Amazon sales on your site as well. So again, the software takes care of all the steps for you. You can upload any type of content you want. So almost all of us have content sitting around on our computer, whether it be PLR, articles we've purchased in the past, articles we got for free, articles we've written. Any of those, you simply upload them into the software and it'll take that unused content you have sitting around and build you a complete affiliate site. You'll have your featured images, the content, your Amazon ads, everything is ready to go. And again, it just takes a matter of minutes to create your site. And now I can keep uploading as much new content as I want over and over again and continue to build out the site. So again, the AffiliFlash software is the fastest way to start creating affiliate sites. You're going to absolutely love the plugin. So go ahead and grab your copy now.
So, all right, guys, let me jump back on here. Which software am I in? Am I doing it? Where am I? Oh, I've lost myself. There I am. Oh, now I'm in the other one. I want to be in this one. This one. There we go. Guys, sorry, I haven't been doing my eCam. Well, actually, I've been learning how to do it with my keyboard, and it's still some stuff to do. Okay, so that's what AffiliFlash does. Very, very cool software. If you are brand new and you're kind of like, well, how do I get an Amazon links, or how do I get those Amazon links? Very simple. You just go over to Amazon. You go to the bottom of the screen and become an affiliate. And there's tons of YouTube videos on how to become an affiliate. Very simple. You would just put, like, they give you like a little widget or whatever, and you would just post that in there, and that's really simple. So let's go over and let's take a look at my bonuses here. So let's see if I can do this without share my screen, and then we're going to go to Chrome and AffiliFlash bonuses. So I want to show you this thing, guys. I have this thing here. You can't get access to it even if you saw the link, but let me just change this to 2, and then we're going to go to screen. There we go. All right, so guys, there are millions of articles here. I'm going to give you access to all these articles. There is so many articles here. You would be able to make 100,000 sites. Okay, I'm going to give you access just to all my articles. You guys could just get access to this folder here. Even just buying the software just to get access to this, you can have all these articles. Go to town, go take them, and go make as many sites as you want. We're also going to give you the WP Rank Express, which is a WP marketer tools. This is how to get your WordPress sites ranked immediately, super fast. We're going to give you Infini Shop, so you're going to be able to make a shopping plugin just super simple. Amazon Profit Engine and the Affiliate Booster. So you're going to get all those, plus the main thing, guys, is you want my database, my article database. So that's what you're going to get. Let's go over to here's the front end. So this basically, it just automatic monetization on every post. You can use from 2 points. Oh, and guys, you know what? I'll put a link to video how to get your Pixabay. Let me write that in there so I don't forget. So video on how to get Pixabay API. It's because you did need that API thing, so I'm going to put that in there. So bonus number 3. I'll get you a video on how to. I'll do that, or I'll find one for you so that you guys have it. There is a discount. I don't know what the discount is. I think it's $17 right now. It's probably $3 off, so you probably get it for $14. And then yeah, $17 is what it is. So with the bonus, let's see what it drops it off to. $13. So it gives you $4 off. So that's what you guys would want to do. Just go there, click that, and then when you want to get your bonuses, it'll be in your back office of WordPress. There'll be a blue button, and you click that, and you'll be taken right to this page here to access the database, extra bonuses, video on how to get. Oh, you probably have to go through a CAPTCHA. I always put in because I don't want bots going to this page because I want to make sure I get humans going to it. You basically go through it, and then you'll get these bonuses. So that is. Come back on here. Where am I? There we go. There I am. All right, guys. So, do I recommend this? Yes, I love these guys. Guys, I have sites like this. If you like, here, I'll quickly show you. Let's just go over here to. Here's one of my affiliate sites, guys. Boom. Guess what? These are all affiliate posts. This is all created with using a tool that creates. This was built with a different script, but it's the same thing. I don't remember what script I built this with. Top programs and products, reviews, latest articles, all that stuff. It's all here, guys. So just wanted to show you, like, I actually do this stuff. Why I love it, because I capture leads from here. I get paid from here. Look at this, Molly Maids. This is an actual ad choices. So this is Monetize. There's an ad down here, Sephora, and this is how I make money by people coming here. Is an online master's degree worth it? There's another ad. I get paid because that showed. Boom. This is an affiliate link for mine. This is an affiliate link for mine. The affiliate link for mine. See, guys, I'm telling you, it's amazing. All right. So that is. I just wanted you guys to know that I use software like this. I haven't used this because as I'm making this video, it is not released yet, but as soon as it comes out, I will probably, I won't probably, I will go grab it. I'll go make another site using it and get a bunch of, use some of my articles and build a whole site out. Don't know what niche yet, figure it out, but that's it. So hopefully you've enjoyed my review, a walkthrough demo of AffiliFlash. Highly, highly recommend it. Solid program. Get out there, start making these little money. I call them our internet real estate because that's what they are. They're little pieces of internet where people find these things, guys. You can collect emails, you can make sales. This is all the start of building your online residual income. Every single marketer out there has multiple little WordPress sites, and if you go through some of my other training where it shows you, actually I've got one that I'm about to launch. If you go through that, which just make sure you subscribe to my channel. When I launch it, you'll be seeing, actually a lot of the videos are already up there, they're unlisted. I'm going to show you how to set up your hosting and your WordPress site and then build as many sites as you want on that hosting, because really guys, you can have as many sites as you want. You just have to get, and it costs like a couple of bucks a day, a couple of bucks a month to have those many sites on hosting. All right guys, that's it. AffiliFlash, go grab it, go grab my link, get all the articles, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.